Arajen Create! Today, me and my mom will gonna make a Christmas decor like this. First, we need some tissue cores, glue, paint, water, paintbrush, string, scissors, roller, glitters, and design of flowers and beans. Now we're gonna start making the flower. First, we're gonna flatten the tissue core and cut it like this. Mama, can you help me?
You need to cut first in the center.
The sides to make 6 petal flowers. Also make 4, 3, or 5 petal flowers. Now we're ready to paint. I choose color orange.
You need to paint the outside and inner
We
side.
need to paint outside. And we made all of the flowers now. It's time to decorate it with balls, flowers, and glitters.
Put some glue on top of the petals. Like this. And sprinkle some glitters.
And sprinkle some glitters. To hang it. I hope you like this, guys. See you in my next video. Please like and subscribe.